Hello, this is Rob from BassMaster. Today is April 27th. I'm out here fishing and want to know if this local creek is going to produce some fish. It's typically a good place for me to go, but I haven't been here this year and just want to know if the fish are moving up into it and if it's going to be doing well. I'm going to fish with smaller presentations, hoping that that's going to make a difference. So in fact, the first thing I'm going to use is my simple little trout worm, purple trout worm, and see if that will help me to land and catch some fish. They're doing some work in my location that I like to fish, but hopefully I still have access and we'll be able to enjoy some nice fish. So let's get in there and let's see what we can do. All right, I'm out here fishing with the K&E trout worm. Going to be throwing it in here and seeing if I can get some fish. Today I'm not looking for any massive size. I'm just looking for anything that will bite. This is going to be just one of those days where thankfully after a good week of work I'll hopefully be able to catch something. Had a stick or a rock or something. All right, guys, got my first fish of the year. Smallie. Whoop. All right. Yes. There we go. All right, there we go. Got a nice beautiful little smallie right there for a creek smallie. That's actually not too bad size. I'd say probably in the neighborhood about 9 maybe 10 inches, but yeah. All right, nice to see the bite. I didn't know what was going to happen. We've had a lot of rain and crazy weather, but it's good to see that the smallies are back out and biting in this creek. So first smallie I've caught in this creek this year, so that's a good thing. I'm gonna grab a photo before I release it. All right, here we go. See you later, my friend. Thanks for biting. All right, gonna try one out there close to the other side. Looking for my second smallie. Whew, yes, all right. Got another one. Woo-hoo-hoo, yes. Look at that, probably roughly about the same size as that last one. All right, there we go. All right, look at that, another beautiful smallie. So the smallies are definitely biting. Let's see whether you can see anything in his mouth. Nope, nothing in the mouth, but definitely another beautiful smallie. All right, going to release this smallie. All right, I'm on the other side of that falls. If you look right here, you can see they're shooting water. They must be flushing everything. But that's where I caught the 2 smallies so far. So I'm gonna try right over here on the other side of this. See if I pick up some bass. Yep, got one. Let's see what it is. Oh yes, another smallie. All right. They all seem to be roughly about the same size. No monsters, but definitely a nice fish to catch. So got right there a nice beautiful smallie. All right. I just had something hit it, so threw back in the area to see if it would come back up and hit it again. Might be another one of the smallies, or it could be even one of the rock bass. Let me get a better cast. I'm fishing very light right now. I shared in my last video how I like to fish in the spring, and this is one of the baits that I like using in order to try to encourage and bring the bass up that I'm seeking. All right, let's see if we can get one. I'm a little bit further away from all the sound of that water. All right, and I just got a fish. Let's see what it is. Ah, another smallie. All right, it's going to be a smallie day. Yes. There we go. We'll get out that fleshy part there. There we go. And he did swallow it. All right, look at that. Another beautiful smallie. All right, gonna have you seeing it as I release it, but I'm also going to release an underwater one. There we go. All right, I didn't set a goal for myself coming down, because to be honest, I was hoping I was going to catch fish. So seeing that I'm catching fish and I got 4 in, I'm gonna shoot for trying to get 10 fish today. So I'm gonna shoot for 10 fish. So let's see if I can get that as a goal. I got 4, I need 6 more, and let's see if we can make it happen. Shooting for 10 fish, and I got 4 already caught, all smallies, and let's see if I can catch an additional 6, and they can be any species. Feels good to be feeling that creek tug. Gonna move up just a tad, and that's typically how I do the creeks. I cast, I take a few steps forward, and then I cast right back in there. Typically I try to walk the more shallow end and cast into the deeper side of the creek, and hope that the fish that are hiding in those spots, taking coverage, will see my lure presentation and strike it when they see it. All right, look at this little teeny smallmouth bass. Ah, he dropped off. I'm gonna count him. I had him in my hand, but that's the smallest bass that I've had so far this year. Let's see if I can get another one. It might be a group of little bass right here. Try to see if I can catch another one. There we go. He dropped off too. All right, I think I'm gonna need to net them the next time. So I've caught 2 bass that I could have had, but I didn't want to hurt them, so I go light on it. There we go. I caught him a little bit more, I think. Yeah. So I mean, I think he's bigger than all the ones I've caught so far. I mean, of those little guys. There we go. Look at him. Oh, what a beauty. What an absolute beauty. Oh, he's so beautiful. Look at that. All right, going to put that one in. All right, got myself another largemouth here. I thought I was rolling, but unfortunately I wasn't. But I caught him as soon as I threw back my very next cast. So I'm gonna take this one and let this one go. Thanks for biting. Since I have one about the same size, I'm gonna just let that one go. All right, let's go get some more fish. That's fish number 6. Friends, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and do share with your friends. Have a blessed day.